Good morning, everyone. I am Kevin Digoma from Bachelor of Science in Criminology, second year. And before I begin, I would like to introduce the purpose of this video. This video is made to share important ideas and clear information about the topic we are going to discuss. It aims, it aims to help you understand the subject in a simple and easy way. As you watch, I hope you can learn something new and useful. So let's begin. The most important lesson I learned from this subject is understanding what true happiness means and how it connects to our ultimate purpose in life. I realized that happiness is not just about pleasure or having things, but about living a good and meaningful life. Ethics taught me that making the right choices, being kind, and thinking about others can lead to deeper and more lasting happiness. And it also helped me see that our purpose is not only for ourselves, but also in how we treat and help other people. These learnings changed the way I think and see things. Before I thought happiness was mostly about personal success or enjoyment. Now I understand that real happiness comes from doing what is right and living with values. It made me more aware of my actions and how they affect others. I also started to think more carefully before making decisions, especially when it comes to fairness, honesty, and respect. And I will apply these learnings in my daily life by trying to make better and more responsible choices. In school, I will practice honesty and do my work with integrity. In relationships, I will be more understanding, patient, and kind to others. And also for my personal growth, I will continue to reflect on my actions and aim to live a life with purpose and meaning. By following these lessons, I hope to achieve true happiness and become a better person. Another thing I learned is that ethics is not only something we study, but something we practice every day. It is shown through simple actions like telling the truth, helping others, and doing the right thing even when no one is watching. Because of this, I want to build habits that reflect good values so I can become a better and more responsible person in the future. That's all. Thank you.